Hi. So in this example, we'll try to enter diesel 2 times. Say a customer used 2 pumps to fill 2 different tanks. In one tank, he filled $500 of diesel, and the other tank, he filled $512 in diesel. So now if you look at the screen carefully, instead of 500 and 512, I get 476.19 and 487.62. And on the right side, I get a total of both the pumps I enter. So say if I have to check how much fuel I entered, or if I didn't make any errors, if I look at these values, I wouldn't know if I entered 500 or 400 or 550, 560. I would not know that because these values are changed without tax. So let me delete that. Now similarly, if I scan an object, so now I have scanned this object, say a beef jerky packet. Now if I enter the same sale, 500, okay, it does come as 500, but on the other side it puts tax, additional tax, which is $24 something on the $500. So the fuel usually has the tax included, but in this example here it adds additional tax on top of the $500. So what we need is a solution where when I enter 500, it comes up as 500, but there should be no tax on the tax screen. It should only print on the receipt. I hope this video helps.